Oh my gosh.
What, baby?
The chicken that's marinated.
Look at this bird.
Yeah, girl.
It's a bird in our house.
Get it. Come on.
Look. It's laying eggs, I think.
Don't worry about it. It'll be okay.
Looks like it.
Where is he? Oh.
She's sitting there.
Dance. Go. Yeah.
You see that little girl?
Bubby. Hey, Bubby. Hey, Bubby.
Yeah, Emma dances like that all the time.
Yeah.
Emma dances like that all the time.
I've seen the videos on Ashley's Facebook and then the I just crack up. She's so cute.
Bird. Wait, wait, wait.
Max! Our little bunny dog.
I'm gonna get
What's Ash doing?
You know I love you, right, Grace?
I'm gonna get me a bird sound effect. That might help.
What's Ash doing?
I'm gonna keep my eye on the.
You dance just like Emma. Did you teach her how to dance? I said, you're not dancing outside Daddy's yard.
If you guys can see the bird.
Yeah, I like that too. You're not dancing outside Daddy's yard. Yeah, that, all that stuff.
She's all the time showing her dances.
Did she? Yeah. Go ahead, go. She's not worrying about me. Oh, you want to do crisscross like you want to jump? Watch. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes.
Did she go out?
Crisscross make you want to jump.
Jump!
Crisscross make you want to jump.
Jump!
Go,
Daddy
go,
make
go.
make you jump!
Mommy makes us do that.